This is the FCTO Daily Forex News Report for the 9th of May 2013. Employment data and strong risk appetite gave the Aussie and Kiwi a strong boost overnight. Australian job data continued its 1 month good, 1 month bad pattern and showed a 50,100 growth in April versus expectation of 11,500. March's data was revised slightly up from a loss of 36,100 to 31,100. The unemployment rate also dropped back to 5.5%. From New Zealand, employment grew 1.7% quarter-on-quarter in Q1 versus expectation of 1.1%, while the unemployment rate dropped sharply from 6.8% to 6.2%. Australian dollar US dollar recovered strongly from the post-Reserve Bank of Australia cut low of 1.0154 and is back trading at 1.0245. Meanwhile, New Zealand dollar US dollar also jumped back from yesterday's low of 0.8360 and is back up at 0.8450 this morning. Both are showing signs of near-term bottoming. In the US, the Dow rose for another day to a new record of 15,105, while the S&P 500 also soared to a new record of 1,632.7. Fed economists Fernando Duarte and Carlo Rosa wrote in a paper published yesterday that investors will enjoy historically high excess returns for the S&P 500 for the next 5 years. The paper noted that equity risk premium is high mainly due to exceptionally low treasury yields at all foreseeable horizons. In Europe, European Central Bank executive member Yves Mersch stated that the central bank has tools and it is not a toothless tiger, while pledging that the central bank would ease further should conditions warrant it. Mersch said he was skeptical about direct asset purchases to ease SME funding strains. He reiterated that the ECB will not subsidize or overtake markets, as these are not the tasks of monetary policy. In China, CPI accelerated to 2.4% year-on-year in April, up from March's 2.1% year-on-year and beating expectation of 2.3%. PPI, on the other hand, dropped more than expected to minus 2.6% year-on-year, down from minus 1.9% year-on-year in March, and compared to a consensus of minus 2.3%. Economists believe that the figures are still relatively moderate and wouldn't change the government's plan in boosting investments and consumptions. Nonetheless, as the government is expecting acceleration in investments in the coming months, the People's Bank of China is unlikely to create any further monetary easing. Looking ahead, UK events will be a major focus today. The Bank of England is expected to keep rates unchanged at 0.5%, an asset purchase target at £375 billion. Generally, the stronger than expected Q1 GDP and April PMI data suggested that the central bank could wait and see before making another move. The UK will also release industrial production and manufacturing production along with the NEISR GDP estimate today. Other data features include US jobless claims, wholesale inventories and Canadian housing price index. For all the news affecting the Forex market throughout the day, join us at forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk. That's forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk.